A faulty Zener diode can make your entire circuit unstable, so knowing how to test one is essential. Today, I'll show you how to properly test a Zener diode using just a multimeter or a simple test circuit. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a digital multimeter that has a diode mode, a variable DC power supply, ohmu current limiting resistor, a breadboard or some clips to hold everything together, and of course, safety glasses, especially if you're working with high-voltage Xenix. This is your complete Zener testing kit. Now for step 1, the forward bias test. Set your multimeter to diode mode. Connect the red probe to the anode end without the stripe and the black probe to the cathode, which is the striped end. A good silicon Zener diode should show a forward voltage drop of around 0.620 sechi voces. If your meter reads 0 volts or OL for open loop, the diode is likely shorted or open. Next is step 2, testing the reverse regulation. This is where we see the Zener's magic. Build a simple test circuit by connecting the cathode to the positive terminal of your power supply and the anode to the negative. Don't forget to put that 1K resistor in series to limit the current NAS. Slowly increase the supply voltage. As the voltage across the diode reaches its rated Zener voltage, 5.1 volts for a 5.1 volts Zenerit should clamp and hold that voltage steady, even if you increase the supply a bit more. If the voltage just keeps rising and doesn't stabilize, the Zener is probably faulty. So, why use both methods? A multimeter test is fantastic for quick go no-go checks, but it can't actually trigger the Zener breakdown. The test circuit is the only way to truly verify the diode's voltage regulation performance. For a thorough diagnosis, you really need to use both. Let's summarize. A good Zener diode will show a forward drop around 0.6 volts and a stable, predictable Zener voltage in reverse. It should also have no burn marks or discoloration. A bad diode, on the other hand, might show OL in both directions, fail to break down at its rated voltage, or show visible damage. Watch out for common mistakes too. Reversing the probes during the forward test, not applying enough reverse voltage to reach the breakdown point, forgetting the series resistor, or even just using worn probes or a meter with a low battery can all lead to bad readings. Fix these simple things, and your tests will be far more accurate. Testing Zener diodes is simple, fast, and can save you hours of frustrating Master these steps, and your circuits will be safer, cleaner, and much more reliable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.